Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Aldrich, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We had done the roof cleaning here on your roof previously. I got a call again. Tina, thank you for having me out here to essentially what we're doing is just seeing if your roof is worth applying, adding more life into it. If we want to clean it and get it to look good, is it kind of at the end of its life, middle of life? So while I'm on your roof here, I figured I would turn the camera around, kind of walk with you and kind of show you what we look at to see if a roof is a good candidate to do maintenance to. And if you take a look at our options, we offer more services than just roof cleaning. Cleaning actually kind of accelerates the aging, drying out process of a roof and prematurely can fail a roof. Yes, it gets the organics to come off, but your roof is actually made out of oils. Asphalt oils or petrochemical oils, and over time those just naturally dry out of the shingles. So we have a process that can recondition or introduce those oils back into the shingle, and each time you do a treatment it can give you an additional 5 years life to your roof. So pretty amazing. Let me flip the camera around and I'll point out a handful of things that we're noticing and what we can do to help preserve and maintain your roof. Alright, so a number of things that's going on with your roof. We're experiencing some cracking. We look at the longevity of the shingle to see if it has the ability to bend, expand, and contract. So you're seeing the shingle here, how I just lifted up this little tab with my finger and it broke. A shingle should be able to bend and flex. If I go any further, it's going to rip. So you're seeing this cracking here. This can be repaired easily. Would take a minor tune-up, and a number of nails that we're noticing here that we want to get beaten down, seal up these cracks, and obviously get this algae taken care of. Your plumbing boot here, you can see how that's all dry rotted. If you don't have leaking in your roof, you will have some this winter. So we want to get this repaired and fixed. A number of random nail pops throughout the roof here. So we want to get those pounded down and resealed. And it's pretty extensive. It's kind of all over. Now, your roof isn't too far gone. So we look at if your roof is curling, cracking, the amount of nail pops, the amount of degranulation that's happening. So if you take a look at your roof actually has a lot of life left. The amount of granulars that's still present to your roof is very well. We don't see the fiberglass coming out, but we are noticing the signs of drying out. So while we're up here, we're going to remove all the debris, do a skylight cleaning, get all this debris around the edges of the skylight, and tune up all of these holes that we're seeing in your ridge cap. Get those covered over. And the shingles are probably getting brushed by some branches here, so we're going to get those resealed up. And so over time, that zinc sulfate method will eradicate and get rid of all this growth with natural processes of the rain. Good 5 or 8 good rainstorms will take care of it. And while we're up here, we're going to remove all the debris off the top of your gutter guards and make sure that those are flowing properly. And you see your deck here. So I got that black mold going on the deck. You can do like a low pressure gentle detergent wash on all your plastic vinyl surfaces, your deck wash, and getting the siding wash. So I hope by watching this video you can appreciate the benefit of doing maintenance on your roof and being proactive. So check out the options for getting this taken care of. And any questions you have, please don't hesitate to call or text me. We can work through what we can do to help preserve and extend it. I say you have a lot of life left to this roof if you're proactive about the maintenance and you do something soon. Thank you. And while we're here doing the roof maintenance, we can also do a low pressure gentle detergent wash on the siding. We use no more pressure than a garden hose to remove this. The cleaner does the work. We can clean all this from the ground with no high pressure, no brushing, and no ladders. The detergent does the work. It gives you a 2-year green algae guarantee on returning on your vinyl siding. So look forward to working with you, and myself, once again, 815-520-6020. Take care.
There is never a good day on your roof. Temperatures can climb to over 140 degrees, causing the roof to expand. Passing rain showers quickly cool the roof, creating rapid contraction, known as thermal shock. Your asphalt roof must remain flexible to withstand these extreme stresses. Oil within the asphalt allows for this flexibility. Depending on region, a roof begins breaking down between 7 and 10 years of age because the oil begins drying out of the asphalt, causing the roof to become increasingly brittle over time. With loss of flexibility, it starts to crack and begins slowly breaking apart, the same way cracks eventually turn into a pothole in an asphalt road. RoofMax is a 100% safe, all-natural food-grade oil. The spray-applied treatment quickly penetrates roof shingles, restoring flexibility and waterproofing protection. Each treatment is guaranteed to last 5 years and comes with a transferable warranty. And because RoofMax treatments are repeatable, a roof can be greatly extended past its expected life. Treatment is quick, clean, and very affordable. Get more life for less money, guaranteed with RoofMax, a powerful fusion of science and nature.